Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Pathologic 3 game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing issue on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to check your system requirements. So for that, after searching for the game on Steam, go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now check if the game is launching or not. Now the next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check. If not, next solution is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand your display adapters. So select your graphics card. Right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check if the issue is fixed. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if this fixes the issue. If not, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the problem. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to play the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back, uncheck all of these and then hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Now here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, now click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and then click on OK. And after that, launch the game and check if it fixes the problem. If not, next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking means the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, now click on Steam option, click on settings, now click on in-game and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once it is disabled, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and then switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for Visual C++ files on Google. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to download the Visual C++ files. Click on it. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. After opening it, you will get repair or install option. So simply click on repair and wait for some time. You will get setup successful message. Close this. Now restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows Update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and you have to wait for some time unless it checks if there is any update. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So for that, you have to first go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After turning it off, again go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows Defender Firewall, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, and after that click on OK, and then launch the game and check if it helps to resolve the problem. But later on come again and make sure to select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list first. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Pathologic 3 game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now launch Steam and reinstall Pathologic 3 game, and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Pathologic 3 game crashing at startup, not loading, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.